Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for May 11th, 2018. Makeup by Tammi is collabing with Makeup Revolution to bring the Tropical Paradise palette launching today on their site. Alamar has launched their very first product, the Reina del Caribe Volume 1 eyeshadow palette, and guess where you can get one? Next month's BoxyCharm. Black Moon Cosmetics will begin their spring cleaning today at noon Pacific. Dose of Colors is giving us one last sneak before releasing Dose of Blockparty on May 19th, and recently spotted at Walgreens the Milani Trio Rose Powder Blush Palettes, also on their site now. Angelica Nyqvist, a Swedish YouTuber and member of our Facebook group, has a collab with Sigma. This set of 5 eye brushes will put you on the path to recreating some of her most colorful looks, $65. And finally, Beauty Bar Baby will release the Magic Wand series on May 12th. Each of these snaps shows only one shade with its shifting shades. This is Hocus Pocus, and this amazing shade is Abracadabra. See more when they launch. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time Monday. Look for Makeup Minute extras on my Instagram, and don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.